Welcome back to another MISys video with Brandout Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about physical inventory sheets. Alright, so once we've already created our worksheet, what we're going to do is we're going to create our physical inventory batch. Now you can do it by clicking here on this icon just under physical inventory, or you can go to edit batch, new, and when you do it that way it will give you a batch count already. And so here we can put initial, and we come down here to worksheet. Yes, we do. Now this is how we count different ones. So if you go total stock and WIP, what it does is MISys will adjust your count in stock and assume that your WIP is correct. So we're going to select that and hit OK. Alright, and here we go. Now we can change that down here if we want to, or we can change the individual one. Now right here is where we put our counts in. We can adjust right here. So if we need to put a new count in here, and again, when we have selected stock and WIP, it's going to assume the WIP is correct and we count the stock. Now we can show recorded quantity. So this is how much we had, and this will show up on your print sheets if you so choose. If not, you can always do it here just as a reference point as you're inputting things. Alright, now we save that. Now if we have to do updates, if we have to do anything else, we put it in here. And we close this. Now we have it up here. So what we'll do is we'll actually show what happens when you put in a duplicate item. So right here, let's go with oranges, and let's say that we, for whatever reason, didn't see this item number, but we know what it is. So down at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to add one, and we're going to put 050. And see how it gives us. Alright, so we're going to put our count in stock as 100 or 100. Alright, and we're going to save that here. Right here. We will have now one of the things that we can do is, remember, we can pin these in to be able to see the item number. What we're going to do is we're just going to click that pin so that it pins it right here, and as we go across we know we're highlighted on the correct one. So alright, so we had 100 oranges, and we're going to save it. So now as we close this down and we come over here to check batch, now that we've put everything in, and we're going to initialize and check. Now as this goes through the record, it's checking for all things. Now down here on our mode we have reject duplicate entries. Alright, and you can see up here it gave us an error. Okay, then when we get our error batch here, we go back to edit batch and we open this up. Now here we see that we've got 2 oranges, we have 100 count. So because we added it, we know which one is correct, which one's incorrect. But this is the time where you can go back and recount on your floor. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to delete that line, save it, close it. Alright. So then to fix this, we go into edit batch, come back up in here, we find the duplicate line, which is down here, take that and we delete that line, save it, close this up. Okay, that gets rid of our error. So now what we need to do is we come down here to post batch. Once we've counted everything and our counts are correct, then we can come here and to post. Yes, we want to create a backup. And when we post, this is where our journal entries are created and our posting is done. All right, and that's it. That's how we post a physical inventory batch. If you found this helpful, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what else we can help you with. Thanks.